Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Godzilla close-up face. Okay, it's going to be legendary Godzilla. So, let's get over it. It's going to be super easy, simple, completely for beginners. Alright, let's do it. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a line down here for kind of Godzilla's brow. And over here, out over here for the snout. Down right here for kind of the front of the snout. Down right here. Over here and up. Up over here, curve down. Up over here. Zigzag for the lower jaw. Zigzag over here for this other side of the other side of the jaw. Line. Line over here. And we're gonna go down here, back, kind of for the eye area. I'm gonna pull the front of the lower mouth here. Pull back over here. And curve underneath the jaw. Gonna pull down. Right there, his neck is really huge. Pull back here, like so. Down. Top of the shoulder. Let's go back to the eye, okay? Gonna go right here. I'm gonna pull another portion of the eye down over here. Up. Line over here. Line right there. I'm gonna fill in this dark area right here. That's gonna be where, you know, pretty much you're gonna see the darkness of his eye. And I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna give him the top row of teeth, which I haven't done that. Fill this area in right here. Line, line, line. Line over here. Back over here. And I'm gonna throw some kind of darkness over here. Line over here, down. Fill this in. Line, line, line. Line over here. Just kind of putting in some shadow here. You're putting in some darkness to kind of frame his face, right? To give it some life. Line, line, line. I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna add some spikes right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just kind of randomly. And then they're gonna get a little bit bigger as they go off the page, because, right, that's kind of who he is. Line over here for the collarbone. Line, line, line. Line, line, line. Here. Here. Sweet. Line over here. Dot, dot, dot. Now, a lot of him is going to be texture as well, right? You want to throw a little bit of like line, line, line like this. See? This is going to show some form of texture, because he's got like these scales kind of all over him. Line over here. Line, line, line. Line over here. And right over here. Just gonna keep, you can kind of keep doing that. I wouldn't say infinitely, but you can kind of keep doing that a lot. Just throw these thin lines right here, and it's gonna come off as texture, right? What you want is texture at this stage, because you know Godzilla is full of texture pretty much. Right, that's kind of who he is pretty much. I hope you enjoy this. Like I said, hit that like button if you like these kind of Godzilla ones. I will do a lot more of them as well. There's a playlist as well. I'm gonna link them on the top right screen there. You know, kind of on the top screen somewhere. I'm gonna link the Godzilla playlist. There's several Godzilla playlists. There's some for the movie. There's some for Godzilla versus Kong. But yeah, this is one right here, a close-up of Godzilla's face. So I really hope you enjoyed it. Again, I want you to, you know, say hi to me in the comments, and I want you to kind of tell me what else you want me to draw, and I'll do it. I post 3 times a day, more than I think any other art channel, I think. So let me know, and I will, again, make some of this stuff happen a lot more often. Just kind of let me know. If there's any other kaijus, because people love kaijus, right? People love the giant monsters. If there's any other ones, you can also let me know. It's kind of fun to do this stuff. It's literally one of my favorite topics, is doing this or T-Rex or you know, something close to that. So just kind of let me know, and I'll make it all happen a lot more often. Also, don't forget to check out sketchingeasy.com. That's the website. Go take a look at that. There's a lot going on there. But yeah, there's a whole lot going on there, so go check that out for sure. And thanks so much, and I will see you next time, okay? Like I said, stay true to yourself, you know, keep drawing, and you're going to become better and better. And yeah, if you want any advice, you can always ask me in the comments, and I will respond right in the comments. All right, ask me anything. Talk to you later, and I'll see you very, very soon. And yeah, see you in the next video.